Hello, this is question 17 on your mixed exercise 1 from year 13. You have algebraic fraction and you have to show that this function can be written this way, which means as this is an improper fraction because the degree of the numerator and the denominator is the same, if we divide, we are very likely to find at least a, yeah, and then we can see how to find b and c. So let's divide the 2x squared plus 2x minus 3 by the x squared, x squared plus 2x minus 3. 2x squared, remember we divide only the first one, yeah? So 2x squared divided by x squared is 2. And then I multiply this 2 by everything and write underneath 2 times x squared, 2x squared, 2 times 2x for x, and 2 times minus 3 minus 6, and then subtract. 2x squared minus 2x squared are gone. 2x minus 4x minus 2x, and minus 3 minus minus 6 is positive 3, so plus 3. And I cannot divide more because this is x and this is x squared, which means this division can be written as the answer plus the remainder divided by the divisor. So we can write that hx, so far, hx is going to be my answer, which is 2 plus the remainder, which is minus 2x plus 3, divided by the divisor. If you factorize this divisor, which is just a quadratic, you have x plus 3, x minus 1. Yeah, just factorizing the quadratic. I haven't done anything strange, which means if you compare what we found, what we need to do, this a is going to be 2. Yeah, we have a constant term that is going to be 2. And then I have here two fractions with two denominators that are these two factors, which means the only thing I have to do with this fraction is split in partial fractions. So I'm going to write that minus 2x plus 3 divided that by these two factors is going to be b, they call it b, x plus 3 plus c divided by x minus 1, just partial fractions. That means that b multiplied by x minus 1 plus c multiplied by x plus 3 divided by x plus 3, x minus 1. And remember, the only thing I'm doing is just adding these two fractions here. Yeah, so common denominator is this one. When I divide by x plus 3, I get minus 1, that multiplies b. And when I divide by this one, I get the other multiplied by c. Numerators must be the same because the denominators are already the same. So these two are going to be equal to each other. If I substitute, and I'm going to use substitution, the x by 1, this factor is going to be 0. And we'll be able to find c. So when x is 1, I have minus 2 times 1, minus 2, plus 3, positive 1. And the right-hand side, this one is 0, and this one is 1, plus 3, 4, times c, for c. Which means c is going to be 1/4. And then if I substitute the x by minus 3, the second bracket is going to be 0. And this one is going to be minus 2 times minus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So 9 on the left side. And on the right-hand side, this one is 0. And I have minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. B, which means b is going to be minus 9/4. Yeah, and I have all the constants I need to find. Yeah, so a is going to be 2. I haven't written that, so I'm going to write a is going to be 2. B is going to be minus 9/4, and c is going to be 1/4. If you need to write the expression, we just substitute the coefficients here. Yeah, so the a by 2, the b by the minus 9/4, and the c by 1/4. And that's all with this question.